I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot so hot, just like an oven. And I don't burn myself, I just had to touch it. It's so fine, it's so nice.
Hi guys, it's your girl Couture Shanz and welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new here, my name is Shanz and I focus mainly on sewing, fashion and lifestyle. So welcome to the channel. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment and let me know that you're new here. So as you see, I'm all glammed up, face beat by moi. Mandarin guys, Mandarin, catch it. So today we're going out for a little birthday brunch with the girls and the guys. Oh, matching. So yeah, so journey along with us as we take on the day. It's Sunday, it's a very chillax Sunday. The weather is beautiful and I hope it stays that way. So we're heading to Broken Plate today for brunch, as I said before. So you'll get to see the gang again and hopefully enjoy this little video that I put together for you. So yeah, we're gonna pick up Janelle now and then we're heading into town. So catch you on the way. I'm not gonna say see you when I get there because you know somebody come back and chat some foolishness. So see you along the journey.
If we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at
me, I keep your underwear wet and your eyes dry. Totally aroused and look good in a clothes and I'm dressed nude for the boys like.
It's a short life, but don't have to do for that.
Finish round 5.
nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get on.
Guys, change our plans real quick. We are now. Ooh.
Unless me have to all backward.
Yeah, that's true. I guess I'll have to give you guys a story time, but Broken Plate is not it. So we're at Chive and we're just going to see if we can get some seats. You're not naturally shy. Yeah, so we just took you up on the road and talk to them. I don't do that. I can't do that.
A shy person
Doesn't do that, exactly. So which one
let's not even personalize. A shy person.
with anybody on the road. You say,
No, don't. Me need first thing. I'm gonna watch the vlog now.
But she said it stays on the hair longer than on the skin. So like 2 to 5 days it stays on your skin. But I don't like it on my skin, so I don't have a problem with that. We just want it on me. So when you put your skin and it's black.
But you have a little bit of hair.
Mom, bit of hair, so I'm going to fill it in. See? Most of these are the things.
So
I'm going to do is just put
how much you charge for things?
1,000 of the things.
With what?
Yeah,
I
so wax
that
it
one.
too.
I like all that look natural.
Yeah.
You know the barber thing them?
No. That's
Exactly.
I feel like,
Jason,
what I
that's
get?
your
You know
sister,
them
right?
paint on
Hi,
them?
sister. I don't know if I've ever met Stephanie and this is my chef.
Introduction over here, guys. Introduction.
Oh,
sorry.
May I take up it for
Janelle, Fergie, Steph, Chef, Jason, Chef. We're acquainted.
I'll patch you guys share that.
So cool. So yeah. So guys, we're looking something to order now. Probably get pasta. Nobody can tell me food with her that.
I not cut your joke. No, I need to try.
Oh yeah, she's really good.
Like,
Even the lashes. We're waiting on two. Them soup.
yeah, just give her.
Look at the lash nice.
Yeah.
The last time I got
Natural.
to
We're right for the people in me.
I'm not in
Look at it today.
Yeah, mark it up.
Yeah, manage.
And then this.
Come good. Say hi to the vlog. We don't want the TikToks or no. Tell me
Don't
now.
worry, save the one to go down.
Take that area.
One go down.
Give me something for next week. Yeah. That can go. That can go. Come ZZ up, mama. Let me see them nails. They're so cute. Let me see them. Them nice. A football every day, what Jason? Why are you watching football at a restaurant? At a restaurant. You too? You too. Alright. Guys, don't take your men anywhere because then we'll come to a restaurant and come watch football. You don't understand. You don't see them over there watch football, is
Yeah.
What
We not pay them no mind.
we have phone. This is so cute. Alright. She's down with your phone. Stop this. What is this? Talk to the people. Talk to the people.
I don't know why she gave me this job. I'm not used to these things, you know? Yeah, I don't know what to do. So we're at Chive. Nice ambiance. Birthday girl.
25.
I know that's the age. Coming on the vlog while I go. You are really
Easier. Mama, set this over here.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon.
We're taking pics, bro. Snap it. Snap it. We'll take pics. Say cheese. Cheese. A video. So, yeah.
While I go you out here pop foot. Pop the damn foot on top of your fan.
Ready?
Hey.
Okay, model. Next couple,
Come, go on.
Next couple, same thing.
Go on, cause you look nice, like antique and see.
That's it, we're done. Go eat some food. What was the food really soon? Wait, what? How was the soup? It's not full of purple. Yours dropped too?
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon.
Mine tastes spicy. Yours spicy? Like a regular thing.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon.
Guys, time is a vibe.
If nobody got every week, you know.
The brunch menu wasn't all that, so we didn't order anything from the menu. But I ordered some pasta and then chicken and bacon, and it was delicious.
I don't know. Say some of the word now.
So yes, I'm definitely recommending the pasta, the chicken pasta. You can add a lot of stuff to it. And Steph is recommending the black bean burger. It tastes like orange juice and something else. Excuse me, what is in this?
champagne and orange juice.
It's a mimosa. Cherry what? Cherry chicken lola. Chicken what? Oh. And then when I'm here.
Can I have a box, please?
Sure.
Your box
One
my
as well.
thing, right?
Yes, I did.
How much you did order?
I don't want to take the message. Tell me what I should Hello, one. This is Jason in
You see, thing is,
guys are talking about brunch on a Sunday.
that would the same thing. We have produce much I produce, and then we have a change to the next one. So after that time, as I said, except for the Kingston, it was the production done at the bottom, for different 8-year-old, 12-year-old, and all them things. You could understand, say, it's a way of more different level of thinking. And I'm thinking the bottom, the size of the buckle and everything, it's a little more complex. That's what I think. 5 bro. Let the fire. Yeah, go on to the fire.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going out so hot, just like an oven. And I don't burn myself, I just have to.
After 4, and we're still
Well, no, but what me feel, I'm sure me and me can give.
Push back them off it.
strange line, we're vintage time.
Yeah, mine.
Both sides is actually really nice. So this is actually really cool.
I think that's about 6,000 per semester. And actually semester. Yeah, but the year long one, you have I think 12 weeks or 16 weeks or so.
come.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy
Them can get.
Come, we're raffle cards, guys. There for your card. Drop it in there, like how we not. Yes, I feel nothing. Oh, we can't chill. Whose card is it? Oh, my God.
A signed gift.
We're not paying a bill. Take a can.
She sent you.
No, it was Shane who put it at the top. So I could pick it.
You see that? Destiny.
Destiny of a backstage.
You reach your levels, bro, you know? I'm
Okay.
going to my audience.
You're a level. Big up on yourself. Look kind of oily. So we're leaving. It's a melanin. It's the oil in my skin. Forget your pork again. Alright. Toodles. Bye. Steffi. Let me not care how much things I want. Chef.
It's a size of a movie.
Make the plans to do.
Yes, we'll do it.
Take care. The sun is gorgeous out here though.
You're not done vlog.
We're gonna start regular
No.
road trip Sunday.
Man.
See y'all Sunday. Later, Janelle. So guys,
We can just wear anything.
we're literally we'll come up with like a dress code. So we're leaving Chive now. It was, I'd say I'd give it an 8 out of 10 in terms of the experience. It was a bit slow, but you know, just one of them things. The food was good, so that's a plus. And now we're heading home. So I'm going to the shade because the sun will beat my butt.
27 minutes.
So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. It was definitely a great birthday vibe. I enjoyed myself to the max and it was just a fun Sunday evening. So as usual, if you made it thus far into the video, click the like button, share it with a friend, leave a comment down in the comment section and tell me what was your favorite part. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next vlog because you know that's all I do, the vloggy vlogs. So yeah guys, thank you for watching.